I'm gonna sell this house today. I'm gonna sell this house today.
I really love all the charm of these old classic Spanish homes. I'm really gonna sell this house today. I'm going to sell this house today. These cookies are gonna be so good. Hey Surrey, set timer for 10 minutes. What the hell is wrong with this house? I'm gonna sell this house today. What the hell?
How'd the flowers get in here?
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Come on in.
Thanks.
I'm Matt. How's it going?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Come on in this way.
Okay.
Let me get you a card.
Thank you. Thanks. This is beautiful.
Oh yeah, it's great.
My name's John. I'm the
Hey.
neighbor next door.
Awesome.
I saw you're having an open house today. My sister really loves this place. She's seen it a lot, and she really wants to live next to me. She's ready to write an offer today.
Awesome. That's great to hear.
Yeah.
Well, I have some clients coming in just a few minutes. Are you able to come back around 3 o'clock?
Yeah. I can come back at 3 o'clock?
Wonderful. I'll see you then.
Awesome.
What the hell? Really? What's going on in this house? Welcome.
Thank you. Hi.
Come on in. Welcome. I'm Matt. How are you?
I'm great.
Oh, Mike. Very nice to meet you.
Sarah, nice to meet you.
Thanks for stopping by. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath Spanish revival. Look at the inlays and the craftsmanship, the hardwood floors, the original baseboards. Can't you see yourself enjoying a great, lovely dinner party here in this room?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah, it's really nice.
How many bedrooms did you say?
This has 4 bedrooms. You might want to come up this way.
Okay.
The bedrooms are all upstairs. I have cookies in the oven. I'll be in the kitchen if you need.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Who moved the painting?
What the? I thought I was going to sell this house.
Is there an electrical problem here?
Let me show you the study and show you these tiles that are original with the house. It's time to sell this damn house.
Awesome.
Yeah, I like the neighborhood. I don't think we need to look at anything else, really.
Yeah, this place looks great.
I think I like this one.
Yeah.
This is my house.
Let's go! Oh, what the?
Oh no.
Hi, Frank. Hey, it's Matt. Your neighbor, John, just stopped by.
His sister really loves the house. She totally can see herself living on the street.
Well, that's kind of crazy. John's sister died last year.
Oh my God.
Who the hell are you? I'm getting the hell out of here. Guess I'm not selling this house today.
Home sweet home.